Ini dia beberapa hal yang memalukan saat Speed live streaming di Indonesia. Yang pertama, mengetok-ngetok kaca mobil Speed.
Oh, it's broken right now? Oh, it's not? Yo, bro, stop fucking begging! Stop begging!
Yang kedua, mencuri uang Speed. Pada momen ini, Speed sebenarnya ingin membeli air, tetapi bukannya dikasih air, uang Speed malah dicuri.
Hey yo, can I give me some water, yo? Give me some fresh. Hey, look, buy me a water. It's a trade. One of y'all go buy me a water. Over there. Hey, you
Get water.
Hey, buy me a water. No,
Go get water.
buy me a water. Buy me a water. Buy me a water. Go over there. No, hurry up, go, nigga.
Yang ketiga, ngerusuh dan memaksa Speed untuk tanda tangan.
Santai.